Hi, my name is Antonia Johnson, and I've been working in the social service field for over 10 years. A lot of my work has been with children in foster care and children who are in the schools who have like a mental health diagnosis, children in DJJ programs. So I've done a lot of work with children who are in residential treatment facilities and work with their family. I have not done a lot of work with adults. My only work with adults that are not in the family-based situation with their children would be during my last field placement, which I was actually able to do clinical work, individual therapy with adults at that time. I think I had two adults on my caseload. At that time, I was introduced to doing work with adults, and I actually really liked it and look forward to in the future with doing more work with adults. Some of the goals that I have is to definitely be able to work with adolescents and young adults with coming up with new approaches and new ways of incorporating therapy and getting them involved in their treatment. A lot of children that I've worked with in the past are not necessarily fully engaged when it comes to doing traditional therapy at times. They often sometimes try to avoid it and are kind of just used to the similar basic stuff of what's been going on before in the past for them. So I would just like to my goal is to actually develop maybe new programs or be part of different programs or different type of interventions that would be able to address some of the issues that we have going on with our adolescents and young adults, particularly a lot of behaviors and things like that that are a result of technology, social media. A lot of that is a lot of concern. So I feel like a lot of our children nowadays are under a lot of pressure, and there are a lot of things that are a little different that needs a little bit more attention to focus on, and working with the families as well of being able to understand the pressure that these children are going through. A lot of the challenges that I actually see is just being able to be fully confident with all the theories that there are and the interventions, and knowing when to use these interventions and theories with clients, and just being able to understand my style as far as a social worker, what is best for me? How do I'm able to connect with my clients? What is my way based on um, ways of colleagues and others? So just being able to understand what is my best approach and how am I able to actually create that best client and clinician relationship. So I look forward to working with everyone in this class, and I look forward to getting more knowledge and being able to become a successful social worker. Thank you.